Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove suggested for you on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to follow is to open the Facebook application, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the top right, and then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll down until you will find in security your location option. Click on that option, and then you need to click on go to device settings and click on Android settings, and here you need to allow all the permissions except the location permission. So you can see that it is don't allow. So this is a process by which you can remove suggested for you on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.